Hey everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hey everyone, this is Jason from Mediatek. Hey guys, I hope you all are good and doing good. So it's been around 1 p.m. So finally, I told you that last time the Realme was going to launch the Realme C11 mobile phone. So as expected today around 1 p.m. the company launches the two products. So one is the Realme C11 mobile phone and the power bank, 30 watts dot charge power bank itself. So anyhow, first let's talk about this Realme C11 mobile phone and the specifications. Whereas guys, this Realme C series comes with a budget oriented mobile phone, and the company highlights mostly it comes with bigger battery capacity along with larger display. And also I want to let you know, here is the first time the Mediatek Helio G35, it's the first processor in India which was coming from this Realme C11 mobile phone. If you're talking about the display, it comes with 6.5 inches. They did not mention what kind of display, whether it is IPS or TFT, but according to the previous track record of this Realme, I was going to expect it comes with mostly IPS LCD screen, 6.5 inches. It comes with mini water drop notch display. Hey guys, if you look at the screen to body ratio, it should be around 88.7% screen to body ratio. And also here the company claims that they added the eye protection. This time they changed the design of the backside rear side camera department, and also they bring the iconic value bands along with dual camera with square type module. So this design, the company is saying that this was the trend setting design in India. As guys, we can agree with them because we have seen that Realme C3 and recently Redmi Note 10A, these mobile phones design looks very old and not great when compared to this recent launching mobile phones. But whereas this is the first mobile, we can say they can change in the design and they can change the camera module, especially the quad camera module setup. So it looks very nice, and that at the back side, as I told, there was an iconic band value design. It looks something impressive to the mobile phone in terms of design. Whereas guys, if you're talking about the processor, as I told, it comes with Mediatek Helio G35 processor. Yes guys, this processor is useful for gaming purpose. So it is the first processor from Mediatek G35. It was built with 12 nanometer architecture, and also guys, it comes with octa-core processor, whereas the clock speed is, it can go up to 2.3 the clock speed, and it uses the ARM Cortex A53, and also it was built with 64-bit processor. Whereas the RAM and storage department comes with 2GB RAM with 32GB internal storage, and the RAM type is LPDDR4 RAM. So the processor here is G35 processor, and the RAM is 2GB only, but even the 2GB fortunately they have given us DDR4, so it's a kind of good combination. I wish they should give one more GB extra in RAM department. I mean, they given here as 2GB only, but I wish they should give at least 3GB. But anyhow, I can say the combination of Mediatek Helio G35 besides this 2GB RAM, DDR4, it's okay, it's not that bad deal, because the G35 processor is the first time which was coming into the India in this Realme C11, so we have a lot of expectations. So anyhow, I was going to purchase this Realme C11, and I will definitely do unboxing, gaming review and complete review in our channel. And also guys, it comes with splash resistance and fingerprint repellent, and also it comes with triple slot, which means you can able to use 2 SIM cards along with 1 micro SD card slot. So with the help of this micro SD card slot, you can increase the RAM, I mean you can increase the storage up to 256 GB, and also it was available in 2 colors, rich green and rich gray, but I like the rich green color in this particular Realme C11. Whereas guys, at the rear side, I have told you that it comes with a square module camera, whereas the primary sensor is 13 megapixel, its aperture is f2.2, and the secondary camera is 2 megapixel. It's for portrait shots, I mean the depth shots we can take with the secondary camera. And also they added a few camera modes was there in this mobile phone. There are fast focus, portrait mode, chroma boost technology, and HDR mode, slow motion. And also guys, with the help of this rear side camera department, we can able to zoom up to 4x, and we can record the footage 1080 happily with the help of this research department, but they did not claim how many frames the research side camera can able to record. But I can expect it was very sure it can able to record 30 frames definitely. But like that, the front side camera, it comes with a 5 megapixel selfie shooter, and its aperture is 2.4, and also they added the panorama selfie mode, and also HDR support was also there with the front side camera department. And also the company claims that with the help of that rear side camera, we can able to shoot the night modes happily. They added the function super nightscape mode. So with that mode, we can able to shoot the photo in the nighttime also. Whereas guys, if you're talking about the battery in this C11, it comes with 5000 mAh battery capacity, and the company claims that the mobile can stand by up to 40 days, and also they're saying that we can do reverse charging with this mobile phone, but it comes with a 10 watts charger. So finally, the company is saying that they can do the drop test of this mobile phone up to 10,000 times drop test, and 10,000 types USB plug-in and pull-out test, and also they have to do 1 lakh times the power button. They have to saying like that, but it should not be in reality. The reality world was different when compared to the company statement. But anyhow guys, it was available in this Flipkart in this month, July 26th, afternoon 12 p.m. onwards. Its cost is around 7,499 rupees, which is nothing but its cost is around 7,500 rupees. So that's it guys, it's about the Realme C11. So I personally wish, if you look at the competitor, if you add extra 1,500 rupees more than the Realme C3 was available in the market, it comes with Mediatek Helio G70 processor, which was the best processor when compared to this G35, and also the RAM is there in this, and the RAM in the C3 was 3GB RAM, but whereas the C11 comes with 2GB RAM only. But anyhow, the price should be, I wish they should give at least 1 more GB here, including instead of 2GB RAM. But anyhow, the company has launched the mobile phone and the cost is around 7,499 rupees. But anyhow, as I told, I was going to purchase this mobile phone, and I was going to do unboxing and complete review about this mobile phone in our channel. And the second product they launched today in India was the Realme. It's a power bank. It's a 30 watts charging power bank, guys. If you look at the thickness, it comes with 17 mm, whereas the weight of this power bank is just around 230 grams, which is not bad. And also it also comes with 15 layer protection. And here is the Realme power bank too, whereas the last time this power bank was launched in India, so at that time I have purchased this power bank, and it looks good, value for the money. But this its cost is around 1,000 rupees, but whereas this 30 watts upcoming power bank, its cost is around 1,999, which is nothing but around 2,000 rupees. And also this upcoming power bank also has a USB-A and a Type-C, and with the help of this dual port, so we can able to charge the other gadgets up to 30 watts. And with the help of this USB Type-C port, we can able to charge the power bank itself up to 30 watts. And also if you double tap this button, the power bank will go up to the L out, I mean low currency mode, so where we can charge the our gadgets like the earphones, earbuds, or even the smartwatches. And whereas guys, this power bank was designed with high density lithium polymer. It's a good thing. If suppose if a power bank gets 500 times a cycle, then usually the layers in the power bank will comes to the lower level. But whereas if you use the lithium polymer, even though if the power bank charging excess more than 500, also the capacity was almost good. So that's the reason the companies comes with lithium polymer. It's the good thing we need to appreciate. If you look at the side curves, it's the 3D design curve. So that's it guys, it looks good. But I was not going to purchase this power bank. I was going to purchase the only mobile phone because I have already this power bank. So anyhow guys, if you have any kind of specific questions, please let me know in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you. Thank you so much for spending a valuable time with me. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Until take care, bye bye.